Hello, this is Gabi from Blue Bonnet Crafters, and this video is a supplement to the Suncatcher project that you can find on the Turtle Loom blog. The Suncatcher is made on this tiny hexagon loom with extra fine set, and for this project I have used crochet thread size 10, and I'm just using the other loom here as a place to hold the ball so that it doesn't run around. Again, in this video I want to show you just a few details about how to mount the woven and sewn Suncatcher fabric to the hoop. This hoop is 10 inches. Again, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 inches in diameter woven across, and now it comes to joining the fabric to the hoop. Now, just a few things that I would like to highlight. I have already started here so that you see both the in progress status before I show you a few details, and you can see here that if you, let me just zoom in a tiny little bit. So I started down here, and you can see that on one hexagon I joined the side, and then I crocheted a little bit. On the next hexagon I joined the tip, crochet a little bit. The next hexagon again is a side, crochet a little bit. Next hexagon is a tip, and this way you go all around. So side, tip, side, tip, side, tip, and always a section of crochet in between. I'm just telling you here right now, if you join or mount a side, I have used 9 single crochet. In between hexagons are always 20 single crochet, and when I just join the tip of a hexagon, it's joined with 1 single crochet. All right, so now let's take a look at that in a close-up in detail. First, I want to show you how to join a tip. We'll just get ready here. So I'm joining with the same thread that I also used for weaving, and here is the next tip. And what I'm doing here is I go through the tip. For the next crochet or single crochet, I go through 2 threads. Can you see this? It's important that you fetch 2. If you just fetch 1, it will pull the thread and ruin the hexagon. If you have 2, it will keep the hexagon together. Okay, now work your single crochet. Right here. Now you can see you have this hexagon joined at the tip. Remember to go through 2 threads, not just 1. I will crochet the next 20 single crochet stitches and then come back and show you how to join the side of the next hexagon. All right, here we are. I have stitched the 20 single crochet stitches here. This is the tip that we made before, 20 single crochet, and now you can see we are at the next hexagon, and here we want to join this side here. Okay, so there's always kind of a V shape, and then comes the side V shape, tip, and so forth. So let me see if I can zoom in here so that you can actually see my stitches. All right, let me see. Okay. So you pick up the hoop and the hexagon, hold the hexagon close to this, and now you just need to go through, when you join a side, you just need to go through one yarn turn along the sides. On the corner you can still do 2, but if you just do 1, that's perfectly fine. So here's the first one. And number 2. And 3. And 4. For this project, I work every yarn turn on my hexagon to even out, or to make sure that it will stretch evenly. Let me just make sure that I'm still centered here. Yeah, still looks good. I've actually practiced this several times because it's kind of a strange angle. I don't have one of those fancy studio setups with multiple cameras, so I have to kind of improvise to show you a very detailed work with just one camera in one angle. But anyway, I hope you can see it. You just keep going here. If you skip a turn on your hexagon, that's not a problem. It will still be fine. You will have about 9 stitches along the edge of this size hexagon. And if you have 8, that's fine. If you have 10, that's fine. So I'm close to the end of this side. Let me just double check one more time that I'm still in focus. Yep, still looks good. And for the last one, make sure that you do the last join again in the corner. The little dinky here is from weaving in the ends. There's my corner. Can you see it right there? And you can fetch 2 threads to give it a little bit more strength. And do the final single crochet. Let me check my camera. Yep, still looking good. So this is what it looks like now, and you can see how it really nicely kind of joins or holds on to the hoop. And the next thing, yeah, you guessed it correctly, the next thing is 20 single crochet just around the hoop, and then here will be our next tip to join. And you just go all around. Let me zoom up a little bit. You just go work all around, and you know you can move these things around a little bit. The last ones will have a little bit tension, and you just need, but with patience you can absolutely get it. And it's nice because you want that little tension, that it doesn't that it's not too loosely. All right, so I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you on the blog for the rest of the pattern. Thank you. Bye bye.